Hi, this is Nancy from Nan for Art Budgets. And this is a kind of off-the-cuff video for me, but this week has been crazy. I have found out that I have to have some surgery on my knee, so I knew that I would be not filming for a while starting next month. And then YouTube dropped that 4,000 to 8,000 thing, which I knew I couldn't do in time. I would have been worked really hard at it if I hadn't had surgery coming up, but now it's impossible. So that, plus I was looking at how many binders I had, and I had to rob a couple of them for a car repair this week. So it's been a week, and I'm looking at all the binders I have, and I think I've gotten myself into too many binders. So I'm gonna take all the money out of these and I'm gonna condense them. But I have a games and group play binder, a scratch off binder, my 1 month ahead, which of course I'm gonna leave that alone. We're gonna keep that one. And then I have my high priority mini challenges, my lower priority mini challenges, my own personal binder, and I have my cat binder, which has business expenses. And then this one, these are my 4 new quarter binders, and I think that's where I kind of bit off more than I could chew. They're fun to do, but it adds a lot more to the mix. It's the little things, and it's just things that not really important, but fun to play. This was the one with quotes. And this is the one with books. And this was the newest one that I did with the little axolotls in it, because I just thought it was so cute. But I think it's just become a little much, and I don't want to quit filming, but I'm just gonna film my normal binders, which I think will be lower and high priority, my personal and my business binder. I think I will knock these out, and the 2 bigger ones will probably be only once in a while. And then, don't you know, I went and bought a new binder this week before I found out that I was gonna have to have my knee operated on. But I love it. I saw it on PurpleCowCorner. Mary had this lime colored binder and I just loved it. It will fit perfectly with one of the challenges that I want to keep in. And I bought it from, I covered up her name because I didn't. It's Handcraft 525 on Etsy, and I will put her name down below. But it wasn't, she didn't have any of the regular ones left. I don't know if she's going to carry them, but she had this one. It was an imperfect one. I've never bought an imperfect before, but I was pretty excited to get this. So, and she sent me this as a gift in there. There's a little, couple little dividers, I guess you'd call them, but I don't see anything wrong with this at all. I think it's such a pretty color. I don't know what the imperfection is. I really can't see anything wrong with it, but I just love the color. And I had started that new basil challenge, backseat basil it was called, and it would look so cute in here. So I'll probably switch this out for one of the binders that I'm keeping. But that's my little update. I've sent everybody's happy mail except for one person. So if you had put your name in my happy mail, then I would really like to send us out. I'll put your name down below. And I guess that's it for now. I'm not gonna unstuff these right now because it's just not a good time to do that, but I'm going to do it later on and film it, and we'll see how much money I do have in all these after I paid for the car and paid for everything else. And then I'll just kind of get started back over again. I'm going to have a fresh start in the middle of August. Well, we're actually we're right at the middle of August. So I hope everybody's doing well. I didn't disappear off the face of the earth. I've just been regrouping this week. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye.